Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Witcher 3 old version only way. Start by backing up your saves and current install to a separate folder immediately. Then obtain the original game files and disable automatic updates in your platform settings so the client does not patch the game. Finally, use the recommended launcher settings and a verified clean save to ensure stability and authentic old version behavior throughout your playthrough. In this video, I will explain how to play The Witcher 3 old version only way. First, find your save folder and copy every file to an external backup location so you can revert if needed. Next, create a complete backup of the game install to preserve the modern version separately. Finally, note original file dates and checksums to confirm you have authentic old files before launching the preserved build to avoid accidental updates or corruption. In this video, I will explain how to play The Witcher 3 old version only way. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps us make more guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long play sessions and walking care-trolled streets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to play The Witcher 3 old version only way. Open your game client and switch off automatic updates immediately, then set the game to manual or offline mode so it cannot fetch patches. Configure the executable to run in compatibility mode if needed and adjust process priority to improve stability. Launch the game from your backup install only and double-check you are using the preserved executable and clean save for the authentic experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.